Another analysis of the graph in this section is multiplicity. So the multiplicity of real zeros can tell you the behavior of the graph at that point. So if a real zero has odd multiplicity, the graph will cross the x-axis at that point. If a real zero has even multiplicity, the graph will touch or bounce off the x-axis at that point. So you'll be hearing the terms real zero, x-intercept, solution, and these all essentially mean the same thing. So on number 1, I actually want to factor this. So if I factor out the greatest common factor, that would be an x squared. And that would leave me with an x squared plus x minus 12. And if I factor that further, that would be x squared, x plus 4, x minus 3. So if you were solving this, you would get x is equal to 0, x is equal to negative 4, and x is equal to positive 3. These would be your solutions. So with this one, not only are they solutions, but we're considering them as real zeros or x-intercepts, because they are. So 0, negative 4, and 3. Now the multiplicity, that really comes from the, like how many times is it a solution, or what is the degree of that solution. So with the x, because that becomes from a x squared, that means that's actually 0 is the solution twice. So the multiplicity is 2. If it were just a normal x, then it would be a degree of 1, but an x squared has a degree of 2, or a multiplicity of 2. This is x plus 4, that has a multiplicity of 1. X minus 3, or x is equal to 3, it's a solution once. I don't see another x minus 3, or I don't see x minus 3 squared, so that means it has a multiplicity of 1. Same as the x is equal to negative 4. So we actually know a lot about what's going to happen at the axis at these points. So at 0, we know that it's going to touch the axis. At negative 4 and 3, we know it's actually going to cross it. So the degree of this polynomial, if we look back at the equation, is 4. And that's even. The leading coefficient is 1, and that is positive. So my end behavior is going to be going up and going up. So up as I go to the left and up as I go to the right. Or the other way to write that is y goes to infinity as x goes to negative infinity. That means it goes up as it's going to the left. And then y goes to infinity as x goes to positive infinity, means it goes up as you go to the right. So we know all the stuff about the graph without even having to graph it.